Starting a hardware company can look a lot like this. You have an idea, you work in a co-working space, incubator, accelerator, lab, or even your garage to turn that idea into a prototype. Then you get your idea funded. But then what? You could waste time and burn capital trying to piece together the manufacturing process. Consider outsourcing, where you'll have to deal with language barriers, patent and trade, secret exposure, quality control, and giving up 25 to 30% of your profit, only to receive inventory weeks later, which could have flaws that set you back months. Or you could take advantage of an experiential education at ValleyHop. Learn about manufacturing, accounting, HR, supply chain management, quality control, and regulatory compliance. Everything you need to get up and running. Plus, you'll have access to university students for internships, co-ops, and experienced professors for advice, along with shared resources because not every company needs its own forklift and fulfillment center. These resources can be shared among various startups, minimizing risk and reducing investment so you can realize your 10x investment faster. At ValleyHop, we guide entrepreneurs from prototype to production.